Hello guys, my recipe for today is cream caramel. So I will be using 1 tin of Dano Evaporated Milk, which is rich in concentrated fat and also calcium for strong bones and teeth. To start with, pour your milk in a kettle and place on fire till it starts boiling. Then we will transfer the milk into a bowl after it's done boiling. This milk will further be put into the fridge for it to cool down to room temperature. Once your milk is at the desired room temperature, you take it out. After you take it out from the fridge, you will notice the top layer has thickened. Scoop it off as shown in the video. We will then break an egg into the milk, then whisk it up. Now into a heated pan, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and stir till it browns. Now add just as much water into the brown sugar and stir evenly. Then pour the caramel into a baking pan. I am going to use an empty tin in place of the pan. Now pour in the mixture. Into an empty pan, add a cup of water. Before putting in the caramel and milk mixture. Put this in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius and bake for 45 minutes. Once it's done baking, we are going to transfer it onto our plate for serving. Look how nice it turned out, guys. My beautiful cream caramel using the Dano Evaporated Milk.